Good morning, guys. I hope you guys are having a wonderful morning so far. It's currently like 9:30, I think. I don't know. I didn't check before I went out. But right now, as you see, I have my glasses, I have my hat on. Looks like we're ready to go explore. So today is it's a vlog, but it's more like an exploration vlog. So back like a couple months ago, like way back before I started vlogging and stuff, there was this time my friend came over, right, and we went back into these woods and we found like this abandoned like tree house thing, and we explored it, we messed around in it, and then we went back further into the woods. We found this really cool creek. I don't know, I'm just gonna go show you guys once I get back there. So, and today it is like a really beautiful day out. It is like gorgeous. It's nice and breezy, so this outfit might be actually perfect for going out. And I wear long sleeves when I go out in the woods because like I get like things caught in my skin. I did yesterday. I got like a thorn stuck in my finger and it hurt really bad. But we're gonna go out and explore. I think it's gonna be really fun. So yeah, right now I'm in my backyard for some reason. Basically, I'm hopping over my fence because right behind my house. So basically, what happened was, it's someone's around here, like around this close. Like it's someone's back there, and it's like all turned on. I'll show you guys when I get back there, but I don't really want to get in trouble with this, so I'm trying to be. It looks sketchy. Like I have a hat on, I have my hood up, and I have these glasses so you guys can see my face. But I'm just gonna go check it out, show you guys what it looks like, and then we're gonna have fun with it. And I'm gonna show you guys the back forest. The forest is really nice looking, and it's like I just can't like get out how perfect this day is for this. Like it's nice and breezy. The sun is out, so it looks all beautiful. There's not a cloud in the sky. Look at this. Like there is not one cloud in the sky for this. Oh, it's amazing. Okay, as you guys can see, I'm now here in the thing. I'm on the trail towards it, leading to it. So this is the entrance. But guess what? The entrance of it is right behind someone's house. So I have to be careful that nobody hears me or nobody sees me. I'm in kind of a dark where, so it's dark back here, so I should be okay. But look, this is right when you walk in, this is what you see. Okay, see these pipes? See, if you guys can see this, I can like dig in kind of. Look, see that blue thing? Yeah, this used to be a trampoline. There's netting right over there. This used to be an old trampoline. So that means this family behind me used to have a trampoline and they threw it out here. There is so much junk. So the house is like legit right in front of me, and I'm not gonna show you guys yet until I get up there. But here, I'll just show you guys now. It's not big, as I told you, it's like a little small house that someone comes out here for. But here, this is what I'm talking about. This is the house, okay? Alright, so as you can see, I'm stepping on like all sorts of junk. Like, I don't know what that is. That looks like a. This is like glass you have in someone's bathroom or something. It's kind of weird. But here, look. This is a door. I don't know. It looks like it's in half, or bent in half. Yeah, it's completely bent in half. Look at this. Is all the junk that's underneath it. Like that's a screen door. Those are some pieces of wood. There's like a rock. Some more shit. There's a Mountain Dew can. You can tell people come out here for like just a drink or smoke or something. So you guys find so much. I'm hearing so much to my left. Oh, what the hell is this? Okay, someone has been here before, like after me, because I did not do this much damage to this place. Okay, so look at this. All over the floor in there, there's all these Ohio State carpets. I hate Ohio State, so they can go suck my butt. But any Ohio State fan out here to watch my videos, you can go die. Okay. So I'm gonna go up there and I'm gonna show you guys what was there when I was there. Okay. So right now we're going up the steps. Okay, look. Okay, see how this is broken? That was so not broken when I was here. The last time I was here, that was not broken. We didn't do this, so this wasn't me. There's 1, 2. Here, look at. Okay. So there's 1, 2. This one's like almost in half, and then this one's broken too. And then there's that one missing right there too. So that was, oh my god, was completely not like this when I came in. Okay, so this hole, that was there when I got here, okay? And it's really sketch because it just rained, so it's all probably wet. Okay, so like you see there's electrical stuff. I'm not gonna touch it because look at the lights are completely off like a thing. They're all broken. I swear someone came in here and there's hella spider webs too. So I gotta be careful so I don't fall through this. I'm balancing right now while vlogging. This is so sketch. Okay, I'm balanced pretty now. Oh my god. Okay, the last time I was here, these glass things, they were up and there was glass in them. There's a couple holes because I brought my pellet gun out here. And I shot through the glass a couple times. Okay? And then there's a stand here. And it's right here. Look at This stand, when I last came here, it was right here. What the hell? Like, someone came in here and trashed the hell out of this place. Like, they pulled these off. The glass is everywhere. Ew. Something to drip the damn ceiling. That's nasty. Oh my god, the ceiling's like caving in as I'm talking. And the floor, this is what I'm standing on right now. I'm standing on these 2 beams. And the hole in the middle. There's like mats, floor mats, and like there's mats everywhere. But all around this, there's like Ohio State things. So I'm just, right now, just kind of in awe. Like, oh my god, like how could they do this? Like, we did a lot of damage too. Like, I punched through the glass and I have a cut on my knuckle from it. But right now I'm just trying to be quiet. Like, all this wasn't here last time I came. And look, there was a VHS tape thing in there on that table. Look where it ended up. Okay, so it ended up way the hell out here. Like, this right here is the VHS tape. Okay, I'm sorry guys. Look at this. Oh my god, what'd they do to you? Like, it's all dented. Oh my god, it's all dented in. It used to be working. Like, there used to be power in this. Yeah, there used to be power in this, and like that was turned on, but it wouldn't work for some reason. Like, so this is what the house looks like from the outside. Like, you got the windows. That's what it looks like. And there's like so many spiders there. But I'm gonna go down by the creek area where I told you guys I was before. I gotta figure out how to get there. So yeah, I'll be down in the creek. I just want to show you guys this. The house is right there. I'm a couple feet away from the house, and I'm still finding panes of glass everywhere. I'm stepping. I can hear them crunching the thing. It's not stick, I swear. Because I know what sticks sound like when they snap and what the glass sounds like. So I punched through that. Look at. Okay, look right here. See this piece right here? Yeah. That's from that. There's still more. I can see it shining. I just don't know. Oh, okay. This is why I wear a long sleeve, so I can push off of branches. Oh, I just have a spider web in my mouth. Ugh. Oh, that feeling when you have spider webs on your face. That hurts terrible. Okay, so back there. If you guys can see, back up there. There's construction going on. They're building a whole new neighborhood. Like, this is all new to me. This was never here before last time. And it looks so much better without that there. So they're doing construction. They're building a whole new neighborhood, as I said before. And it's kind of taking away the space down here. But I'm going to go down here. I'm going to show you guys. It looks really, really cool. I really hope I don't slip while doing this. Look at this steep. It's really steep. In my shoes, here, I'll show you guys I'll show you guys the treads on my shoes. I don't have any. Here, if I can show you guys. Like, look at this. It's completely flat. Like, I have no grip whatsoever on my feet. So I'm going to try this and videotape at the same time, because I'm trying to videotape me busting my ass. Alright, we made it down. Not that big of a steep. It was like 2 steps. But this is what I'm going to show you guys. Like, it's all just a creek. And it's so cool. Like, it's down there. It goes all the way under there. It's really, really cool. I've seen a couple snakes down here. But me and my friends used to come down here and throw rocks in the river. I'm trying to jump over it. Here we go. Okay. So yeah, I'm sorry if it's a little shaky. I don't have really to say about it. I'm recording on my iPhone, as like I said. I'm trying to get a new camera. Like, I see like deers come down here too. I see. You guys can see these. Right here, right there. There's one underneath here too, right here. They're all deer tracks. And I think it's really cool. And this sand is really, really mushy. Like, I'm sinking in. Okay. So see this? I have this creek. I fell in this before. I fell in right here. Like, see, this is all, it's all deep right here. I fell in that before off this tree. Cause it like kind of twitched and I fell. So I'm gonna jump over to this side. I hope I don't sink in the sand. Ugh. Oh, I sunk in the sand so deep. At least my foot isn't wet. This is what I want to show you guys. This is what I think is really, really cool. Okay, so look at this. Okay. No, it's not. It doesn't look big in camera, but it's huge. Like, look. Like, I'm 6 foot, and this is where my face. I'm looking straight at this right now through the camera. That's where I'm looking. That's how tall I am right now. That's how high it is. Okay, and then there's like that. Like, this is big. Like, look at this. This is awesome. But like, it's like a mini cave. Like, I see something. See that thing right there? Oh, it looks like an animal. But I think it's part of that black crap right there. But yeah, and it's really, really deep right here too. I went in that. I was in like shorts and I just kind of like walked in and I dropped. It was funny. But yeah, so this is what it looks like on the way this way. That's like, you go this way, you're behind a golf course. So pretty cool. I went up there and I stood up here before on top of this. I'm gonna do that real quick. I think I can get over. I don't know if I can. I'm really sinking into the sand. Like, these are my footprints. Like, I'm sinking in. I'm gonna try to step like right there. Like, there's a little bit of actually like slanted stuff so I can stand. I'm gonna try real quick without getting too wet. Okay. That's just kind of sketch. I'm trying to find another place to step over, but like close to this so I can get over. Okay, I had to put the camera away for just a little bit because I didn't want to fall in. So last time you guys saw me, I was down there. Now I'm up here. That took a quite amount of effort. Oh my god. Oops. That was. But like, then there's this hole too. Just this big hole. So right now I'm gonna head over on top of that ledge where I was last vlogging. Oh, it's sketch. I'm like legit on the overhang right now. I'm afraid this is a snap or something, because I do not want to fall in today. Okay, I'm going up here. Sorry if it's real shaky. Okay, I'm gonna hang on this tree. Okay, so look at this. I'm leaning on this tree, but look, this is the overhang. Get the leaves out of the way. This is the overhang. That's where I was standing before, like right here. That's where I was standing and looking up. Okay, and then the overhang. Yeah, that's right where I just showed you as the overhang. This is so sketchy. It's slanted up here. I don't want to slip. Okay. Okay, we're good now. And like, look at where the treehouse is. See, it's right there. I found like a big pile of glass, like from the shed over in these areas. Still, like, what people do, like they bring panes of glass in and they smash them. But yeah, as you guys can hear the smashing in the background. Here, I'll get higher. I gotta show you guys this. Look, okay. You guys can see this. Oh, it's like overexposed. Okay, look at this. See that? That's a road. Behind those trees, there's another house. And then right there, that's a brand new house coming up. Like, they're building on that right now. I see people. Hope they don't get mad that I'm here. But yeah, so I think I'm gonna go more that way towards that side of the golf course, because I sometimes find a lot of stuff over there. So we're to keep walking, keep exploring. I'm just gonna show you guys like different things, I guess, that I find. Sorry if it's real wobbly. I'm running like uphill and downhill, and now I'm going uphill, trying really hard to get grip. Gotta be careful of them people, because I don't want to get in trouble today. And it's really windy right now too, and it's really like chilly as well. It feels like yeah, of course spring. It feels like fall right now. It's really sunny, but it's also really chilly at the same time. The sun isn't providing much warmth anyway. Okay. Right now I am fucking terrified. Dude, I am scared for my life. There is something over there. Like, no fucking joke. It is screaming. It sounds like a sheep, but it sounds like a kid scream. It scared the living shit out of me, because these last couple of hills right here, like this one and that one up there, I slipped. And then all of a sudden I heard that. It sounds like a kid crying, but it sounds like something dying. At the same time, it scared the fuck out of me, because it sounded like it was getting closer. But I guess I want to show you this. This is really sick. Okay, someone has stepped here and like fallen through. You can tell. Like, I see the dirt moved. Okay, I'm gonna sit. Okay. Oh, this root is like really sturdy. Okay, I'm hoping I don't slip. Don't slip. I'm slipping. Oh, you can hear all that shit move. Jump. Okay. Just want to show you guys this real quick. I didn't see this last time. I don't think this is new. Okay, look at this. Okay, this looks like a manhole cover. Don't know what that's doing here at all. Don't know what that's doing at all. I don't know why that's here. That's weird. What is saying it? East Jordan Ironworks. Global Cast Non-Traffic. G101860. Can't see anything else. What does it say? ASTMA48. I don't know what that engraving means, but yeah, I don't know what that is. And then there's this ladder. There's just, look, wooden ladder. Like, look at this. Like, this is a wooden ladder. See, like, this is what I'm telling you. Like, we find the most random shit back here. I'm gonna walk more on the stream, because that damn screech that scared the hell out of me. Okay, there's nothing over there. I thought I saw something again. It's really sketchy back here, because I know there's humans, there's people really close to me. So right over there. Okay, look, I gotta cross this river. It's really long. It's longer than it looks in person, but it's really long. One day I just want to get my swimsuit on. Just walk through it. Okay, I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna get wet, so wet. Oh yeah, my shoe got so wet. What the fuck was that? Something that jumped in the water. That scared the fuck out of me. What's behind me? I just get real paranoid when I do this by myself. That's why I said I do this with friends, not myself. Cause something jumped in the water and it scared the fuck out of me. Okay, so right now there's nothing really too interesting. I'll call you guys back. I'll get you guys back when there's something interesting that I can find. I haven't moved much. I haven't moved like 2 inches from where I was. Still in the same spot like where these trees were. You can hear that waterfall behind me. This is gonna snap any second. But I just found something that I left here like a year ago. Like when I said me and my friends came here a long time ago, I mean like a couple years ago. But look at this. Okay, so see this tennis ball right there? Yeah, that was thrown. My friend stand over here and I was at the thing, right? I got a clear shot over here and I threw it and he missed. He lost it. I'm guessing I just found it. That's a tennis ball from us. And there's another one over there too. Over there. See that little green thing? Yeah, that's one too. I'm trying to figure out where I should go from here because if I go that way, it's straight river. There's nothing else I can go on. So if I come up here and go around, because look at right here, there is no way in hell I'm climbing that with the phone in my pocket. So I'm gonna go around. I just choose to go around. It is so sketch. I hear things behind me all the time. That was me. That was me. That was also me. Like I hear that all the time, but when it's like not me. That screeching stopped. It legit scared the living hell out of me. Like my heart dropped and like I almost ran. It scared me so bad. So we're gonna go back as far as possible as I feel like it. Before like I'm gonna call you guys back when like I find something interesting or cool to show you guys. I just want to let you guys know, like, just take in how beautiful this place is, like, without humans in it. Like, it's like gorgeous out here. Well, that's bigger in camera or in person than it is in camera. That is huge. That is like the biggest tree I've ever seen in this area. That tree looks retarded. I'm sorry. I'm not making fun of retarded people. I promise. Just this tree looks mental. Look, like right here, it looks big, right? No, it's hella small. It's like on the bottom, it's like really, really wide, and then the top is really skinny. But how beautiful this place is, like, is amazing to me. Like, this is amazing. I love doing this. Just coming out to the woods and seeing the scenery and like seeing what nature created is like amazing to me. I love doing this. Like, this is the funnest part of my day. Like, this is the funnest thing I probably do today. Okay, so I just want to take a time to like say that there's a metal chunk up here. I want to see what this is. Okay, so right now I'm getting really, really, really close to that house that's being built with people in it, and there are these metal sheets. There's some over there. Oh no. Okay, so some over here, as you can see. There's some right here. I'm just gonna go check it out. I don't know what it is. I'm on 20% of my battery, so I better hurry up and like either end the vlog or find something really cool quick. It's like sheet metal. Yeah, it's like sheet metal. I can't touch it. I wasn't looking at it. Yeah, that's just weird. Yeah, I'm on 27% of my battery, so I better hurry the hell up and like find something really interesting to show you guys before I have to end it. Okay, ow, that tree just hit me right in the nuts. It almost tripped me. Oh, baby. Sorry I'm not looking at the camera. I'm trying to figure out like my steps so I don't twist my ankle. I've done that so many times and it hurts so bad. Okay. Yeah, this stream got so wide and deep. Look at this. So you remember the stream was like half this size, not even. It's a cool little waterfall. I wish I was good at recording. I would get like some cool scenery views of this, but I'm not. Look, a lonely vine. Whoa, that goes all the way up there. I'm gonna pull on it, see what happens. Oh shit! I thought when I pull on it, it would all fall. Like someone's like right on top of me. That'd been funny. I'm gonna go down here. I want to see like if I can get some footage. I don't know. I'm just trying things new. I'm trying to do good at vlogging. Oh, I pulled that vine down. But look at how cool that is. My bad, my finger. It's just so peaceful. I love it. it's just, like, I can sell here, except for the noise by like people who have drills and crap out there, who are ruining this moment for me. Otherwise, it's really peaceful. All you can hear is listen to the water go, listen to the trees sway, listen to the birds chirp and shit. Like, that's what, like, this is amazing. I could sit here out here all day and throw rocks into the stream. That's why I want to do this. Like, I'm just sharing things I love to do with you guys. Maybe next vlog I can get my friend Alex to come over and we can go out here and just do some dumb crap. I'm not saying vandalize. I'm just saying, like, mess around with people, aka the builders, the workers, and then we can fuck with some golfers too, because the golfers are like legit right over there. I'm heading back right now because my phone's about to die, and it loses battery even quicker when I'm vlogging or recording myself. So yeah, so I'm heading back right now. So I know this is probably be a short video, but you know, at least it showed a lot. I'd rather have a short video that shows a lot than a long video that shows nothing. So bye, workers. See you next time. Ow, that hurt. Something's like whipped me in the back of my leg. That hurt really bad. I didn't think about how long of a walk I just did. So yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna end the video here or not. So I'm still recording. Yay! 10% on my battery. I didn't stop my video. So yeah, really out of breath. I have 10% on my battery. Either I'll keep the vlog going throughout the day, or I'll stop it for a minute, charge up my phone, then come back, do a different route. Sorry, I just jumped off this ledge. Kind of hurt my ankle. I gotta jump from this ledge to that one. Okay, so let's do this. I'm gonna do it with vlogging. I hope I don't fall, because if I do, this phone and me, I don't care about myself that much. I care about my phone. Okay, here we go. Okay. Oh, that hurt so bad. I need a rock. Oh, I made that. Wait, why did I do that? Oh yeah, here we go. Here's a trail. Not really a trail. That, my knee is throbbing right now. I hit smashed it. This is that birch shit. Like spiny, green thing that gets stuck to you and then follow you. It sucks. Sorry the camera was like out of my range. There's a hole. Yeah, I'll stay away from the... I got one in my ankle. Ooh, that hurt. Okay, screw that. This is all filled. Like, see all these? I don't think you can. See all those? Those are all fucking... There's a huge one. This thing? That's one too. Oh, I'm about to step in like a pile of them. Oh, there's a web in my nose. Okay. Really coming up. What's following me? Okay. Oh, I really hope it's not a spider on my back. But we're coming up on the house. Oh, that hurt my vlogging hand. Okay, so here's the house. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stop vlogging for now for a couple hours. Let my phone charge. I'm gonna come back out and do a different route that me and my friends used to explore. So this vlog isn't like 2 minutes long. It's about 4 minutes long by now. But you know, this is actually gonna be a cool vlog instead of a shitty ass one. We used to shoot birds out here. Remember that? We used to like aim up in the... That was back when I was like 14 and stupid. So yeah, I'll see you guys on a different trail once I get my phone charged up and I get something on my stomach because I'm really hungry. I woke up, got stuff on, took a shower, had stuff on, came out here and started vlogging. So I'm gonna go eat, charge up my phone, and then we're gonna be back out here in a couple minutes. So I'll see you guys then. So yeah guys, I am gonna end the vlog here. I looked back at all the clips and I had almost 17 minutes of footage to work with. So this video is gonna be longer than normal. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you like me going out and venturing more like that, just like, you know, leave a like, comment down below if you guys want that more. I'm be glad to do that. That stuff is fun for me. So hope you guys enjoyed that. Hit the subscribe button. Turn my post notification to never miss a new video, and I'll see you guys next time.